If you're into RC cars, you know not every model lives up to the hype. If you find something you need, I've dropped all the links in the description for you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. I keep the reviews real and straight to the point. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5, Arrma Granite. Let's kick things off with the Arrma Granite, a budget-friendly basher that punches above its weight class for new hobbyists who need reliable performance without premium pricing. If you're looking for solid speed and durability without emptying your wallet, this truck deserves your attention for its straightforward design and dependable operation that handles backyard bashing effectively. With its brushless motor and rugged chassis design, this RC delivers impressive speed and handling that makes driving fun while providing the durability needed for learning the hobby. The truck handles jumps and crashes reasonably well, while the 4WD system provides good traction on various surfaces from grass to dirt tracks. What sets it apart is Arrma's reliable construction that balances performance with crash survivability, giving you confidence to push harder without constant worry about expensive repairs. The waterproof electronics handle wet conditions, while the quality radio system provides responsive control that makes driving enjoyable rather than frustrating. The build quality feels solid for the price point, with proven components that handle regular bashing without major issues. The truck includes practical features like oil-filled shocks and quality tires, while the overall setup process is beginner-friendly with clear instructions that get you running quickly. Where it shines: great value for money, reliable brushless performance, good crash survivability, and beginner-friendly operation that works well for learning RC driving skills and basic maintenance. Where it falls short: limited top speed compared to higher-end models, and some components may need upgrading for serious racing or extreme bashing applications. Who's it for? It's perfect for RC beginners, budget-conscious bashers, or anyone who wants reliable performance for backyard fun, all without premium pricing or complicated maintenance requirements. Bottom line, the Arrma Granite strikes a solid balance between performance, durability, and affordability. If you want dependable RC fun with brushless power and good crash protection, this truck is a smart choice for most hobbyists. Number 4. Losi Tenacity DB Pro. Sliding into number 4 is the Losi Tenacity DB Pro, a refined, race-ready buggy that blends proven performance with smart engineering improvements. Perfect for hobbyists who need serious speed and handling for competitive driving. This isn't just another RC car, it's a thoughtful design that delivers enhanced performance and competition-grade features for demanding applications. Thanks to the advanced suspension geometry and quality drivetrain components, you get excellent handling characteristics that make the buggy responsive and predictable during high-speed driving and jumping. Whether you're racing at the track or bashing in open areas, this buggy provides consistently impressive performance that enhances your driving experience. The buggy's enhanced build quality includes premium materials and components that handle the stresses of aggressive driving while maintaining reliable operation. The adjustable suspension settings allow fine-tuning for different track conditions, while the efficient drivetrain delivers power smoothly without excessive mechanical noise. What really sets this generation apart is the refined balance of speed and durability that doesn't sacrifice reliability for raw performance. The buggy provides race-level capability, while maintaining the toughness needed for recreational bashing, making it perfect for hobbyists who want one vehicle for multiple applications. Construction quality feels dependable throughout with Losi's proven engineering and materials. The buggy operates smoothly across different terrains, and the overall design prioritizes both performance and longevity for serious hobby use and competitive applications. Who's it for? It's perfect for racing enthusiasts, experienced hobbyists, or anyone needing competition-grade performance with reliable operation and comprehensive tuning capability for serious RC applications. Bottom line, the Losi Tenacity DB Pro isn't just faster, it's refined, tunable, and race. Ready enough to satisfy hobbyists who need serious performance capability. If you want competition-level handling with proven reliability, this one checks all the boxes. Number 3. Tekno SCT410SL. At number 3, we've got the Tekno SCT410SL, an innovative short-course truck built for hobbyists who want professional-grade performance without compromise. If you're tired of RCs that break constantly or lack the precision for serious driving, this one changes the game. With its advanced engineering and competition-proven design, it's built to deliver professional racing performance while providing the durability that demanding hobbyists require. What sets it apart is the sophisticated suspension design and precision-machined components that provide exceptional handling characteristics and remarkable durability under extreme conditions. You get race-winning performance with build quality that handles aggressive driving styles, while the modular design makes maintenance and upgrades straightforward for serious hobbyists. The build quality is professional and dependable. The truck includes premium materials throughout the drivetrain and suspension, while the advanced geometry provides predictable handling that responds precisely to driver inputs. You'll find the truck excels at both racing and recreational driving with remarkable capability across various terrain types. One of the standout features is how the truck balances racing performance with practical durability that handles real-world hobby use. The professional-grade components provide competition capability, while the robust construction ensures reliable operation across demanding driving conditions and regular maintenance requirements. The professional construction extends to every aspect of the design and engineering, with materials and attention to detail that demonstrate Tekno's commitment to racing excellence while maintaining their reputation for innovative design and reliable performance in competitive environments. Who's it for? This truck is perfect for serious racers, experienced hobbyists, or anyone who wants professional-grade RC performance with competition-proven design and comprehensive capability for demanding applications. Bottom line, the Tekno SCT410SL isn't just another short-course truck. It's a professional racing platform built for hobbyists who demand excellence. If you want competition-grade performance with innovative engineering, this model absolutely deserves its spot in the top 3. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest RC car reviews are coming your way. And no need to dig around. I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. Arrma Outcast. Coming in at number 2 is the Arrma Outcast, a smart and powerful stunt truck that's taken a big step forward in extreme performance and crash survivability. What sets the Outcast apart from the rest is its excellent balance of raw power and intelligent design, giving you serious speed and jumping capability that basic RC trucks simply can't match for extreme bashing applications. Unlike standard bashers that struggle with big air or speed-focused models that lack durability, Arrma's Outcast delivers impressive power with robust construction that handles the most aggressive driving styles and crash scenarios. The truck rewards fearless drivers with reliable performance while providing the toughness needed for extreme stunts and high-impact driving. One of the standout features is the advanced chassis design that distributes crash forces effectively while maintaining structural integrity during extreme impacts and high-speed runs. The unit feels engineered for punishment, giving you confidence that aggressive driving and big jumps won't result in expensive repairs or extended downtime. The Outcast also includes proven Arrma reliability, with premium components and construction that provide excellent performance across the most demanding bashing scenarios. You get exceptional power delivery with comprehensive durability features, while the robust design ensures consistent operation even after repeated crashes and extreme use. Build quality stays consistently high with Arrma's refined engineering and attention to extreme use details. The truck includes convenient features like waterproof electronics and quality components, while the overall package feels truly capable of handling whatever extreme driving challenges you can imagine. Who's it for? It's perfect for extreme bashers, stunt enthusiasts, or anyone who wants maximum durability with serious power delivery and reliable operation for aggressive driving and extreme RC applications. Bottom line, the Arrma Outcast redefines what an extreme basher can deliver. With serious power, exceptional durability, and reliable performance, It's easily one of the most capable options for hobbyists who want uncompromising bashability. And finally, my number one pick, Traxxas X-Maxx belted topping the list, is the Traxxas X-Maxx belted, a next-generation monster truck that combines proven reliability, cutting-edge power, and top-tier build quality into one complete extreme RC package. Whether you're serious about big air, need maximum durability, or simply want the most capable RC truck available, this model delivers professional quality performance with exceptional toughness and comprehensive capability. What sets the X-Maxx belted apart is its incredible combination of massive power and intelligent engineering that achieves extreme performance while maintaining the reliability that Traxxas is famous for worldwide. Unlike other extreme RCs that sacrifice longevity for raw power, the X-Maxx provides consistently excellent performance with legendary Traxxas support that protects your investment. Smart engineering is built right in. The truck's advanced belted tire system provides exceptional traction and durability, while the comprehensive suspension design handles massive jumps and extreme impacts that would destroy lesser vehicles. Whether you're hitting huge jumps or driving aggressively, the truck responds exactly as expected from premium RC equipment. The refined construction reaches its peak here with Traxxas's premium materials and proven engineering excellence. Build quality is absolutely dependable with attention to detail that shows in every aspect of the truck's extreme performance capability. The comprehensive features include waterproof electronics, modular design, and professional-grade components that handle the most demanding hobby applications. The complete design includes everything an extreme hobbyist needs, while the versatile performance makes it suitable for any RC challenge. The truck works equally well for recreational bashing and serious stunt driving across demanding terrain and extreme driving conditions. Who's it for? It's the ideal choice for extreme hobbyists who want the best possible RC truck experience with maximum capability, comprehensive durability, and the most advanced monster truck technology available. Bottom line, the Traxxas X-Maxx belted is the total package. With outstanding extreme performance, exceptional reliability, and comprehensive features packed into the most refined design available, it's the ultimate RC truck for anyone who refuses to settle for average performance and wants professional-grade extreme capability. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.